Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're back at SDF. Feels like we've been here a lot recently because we have another car on the dyno, the JZX100 Chaser, with a freaking rebuilt engine that we did in like 2 days. I'm excited. Look who's here, it's Daiki. How much power are we making today? 400? 380?
Not 400.
Not 400? How much? Guess right now. I'll give you Gosen if you guess it. No, I'll give you Ichiman. I'll give you $100 if you guess right.
Okay. How much like usual stock JZX?
I don't know. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I guess 380.
380? You just took my number. マサ、今日何馬力できる思いますか? He just said, how much horsepower do you want? I love this. That's a good tuner. If you're just jumping in, we rebuilt this car in literally 2 to 3 days. Whole engine out, completely rebuilt it, all back in together. Now we're on the dyno making power. Is currently dialing in the boost control, trying a few different tactics to try and keep around 1 to 1.1 bar. And this thing sounds spicy. I love it. Last time we were here, they just got this turbo sitting on the engine. Now they're starting to fabricate up all the piping and stuff with the intercooler. Whoop, the intercooler's not there anymore, but all the piping is. This thing's gonna be nuts. G42, twin gate Artec manifold. Look how good that all fits in there. Big boy. I want a Supra so bad. Yo, he's got a Greddy intake. Nice. Dude, these caps are kind of cool. Kind of cover the suspension. Gosh, looks so good. Oh, there's the intercooler, about to get welded up. It's an anodized gold one as well. It's gonna look nice. And there's this nice 34 out here, GTT. Plasmaman intake manifold, bunch of goodies. Love the Artec manifold with a Garrett. Looks like a G30. Actually, that could be a G30 770. Maybe even a 35, it's hard to really tell. I think it's a 3770 just by looking at it. He's got all the heat management stuff. That is the right combo for an RB though, Artec and a Garrett. I cannot wait to drive this. And then they have a full-on paint booth in here too. Oh, I guess he's on his break. I think the number one thing that I love about this shop is this. This whole beam moves across the entire shop and obviously has a huge winch on it, so you can just pick up engines and anything you want and move it wherever you want around the shop. There's another one up there, and then there's another one that swings out from the side, and another one here. It's like the best ever for engine pulls. Super nice. And then this whole room here actually has some very special gear in there. I'm not sure if we're allowed to film it, but it's got a massive 3D printer in there, and Masa does a lot of R&D work actually with some really cool stuff that's coming for Tokyo Auto Salon. We got a nice little boost reference line going to the dyno. Now we'll actually start recording some numbers and see what this thing makes. Our boost target is 1.1, and if ever I need to just run stock boost levels, I can unplug the solenoid. When we got the plug out, you know it's time to make some power. Let's go. Let's get the fan on. It's gonna be our final power number. We got the RPM limit set to 8K. Oh, she's a little hot. We'll cool her down a bit first. Get all that extra juice. Here we go, baby. It seems like we're running out of fuel pump, but I think it's just because we're still using the factory wiring, so we're not gonna push it anymore. We're happy where it's at. We'll leave it at 438, 440, baby, not bad. And obviously we'll be drifting this non-stop and we'll turn the boost down a little bit to 1 bar, but at where it's at here, you can see it's kind of peaking to 1.2 and then kind of staying at 1.1 the whole way. Yes, I know I've been in a loud environment. Thanks for letting me know. But otherwise, we're good. I'm pretty stoked. It's a 400 horsepower pretty much missile. And we'll run this at 1 bar, which should land us at around 380 non-stop at Mitsuris and stuff like that with the friends. We'll plug the boost solenoid back in when we are drifting at like EDS or any other little comps like G1 GP. So that way we can run this tune, which will be landing us around the 438 mark, which is awesome. Perfect, exactly what we needed out of this thing. And no problems. Love it when a dyno session has no issues. Now we get to drive it a little bit for ourselves in the car park. My all-time favorite wheel from Serial 9. Love this thing. So nice. Let's go, baby. Also the long boy shifter. Freaking sick. Let's go, baby. I love how smooth this thing drives. I mean, I'm not surprised. It pretty much is a Toyota Camry, but with a bigger motor. Just like that, the Chaser is tuned, ready for 380 to 400 horsepower at every circuit. Also, your boy got some new kicks, let's go. And we are locked in. Dang, this Gloria is kind of wild, eh? It's crazy cool. What is going on? Wait, are these like rubber stickers for the tire? That's the first time I've seen that. I didn't know those were a thing. It's kind of cool. Inside, damn, look at all the custom interior stuff. That's baller. RB powered too, I think. What did this get the VQ? Hang on. It did get the VQ, but I think this is turbo. I think so. Yeah, I think it is. V6 Turbo Gloria. It's kind of cool. This Chaser is wild. I didn't even realize it was a Chaser at first because of how aggressive the front bumper was. I just assumed it was like a 4-door 34, but it is so heavily modified. Crazy. Look at this rear fender. Door open too. Sheesh. That is thick. Now that, it's like 1/2-inch thick steel there for a wing. Oh my gosh, here too. Very cool. Let's have a look out the back here at what cars are chilling, because there's a lot here. Oh my gosh. Verossa, crashed 110, Mark II, 34. Oh my gosh. There's some abandoned cars back here. Oh, and there's a huge spider web right there. Oh, there's more, multiples. Dude, what kind of spiders are these? Oh my gosh. They're like, got yellow butts. I don't even know if the camera can focus on these dudes. They are huge. Yeah, I don't think it can see it. You can see it there, but these are massive. Gosh. Anyways, we'll walk around that. S15. Dang. What are these? S14, S14. I think that's a 15. What is this blue thing up the back? Looks like an old 13 of some kind, maybe. Man, that's sad. Oh my god, you can see an SR in there. Poor thing. Oh, there's a Hachiroku up the back. Oh my gosh. Old school Hachiroku rotting. Damn. Next abandoned car video will come here. And then there's this Mercedes here. Wonder what he'll do with that. 13's nice. Masa's been collecting these older ZN686s, the GT86s, because he's putting together like a kind of like a package for them, because these are so cheap here. You can even get them for like 5 grand over here now, which is wild. 5 to 10 G's and you can get a really nice one, a kind of beaten up semi-crashed one. 5 G's easy. That's good for a missile. He reckons he can get a good turbo kit on them and everything that needs to be done to make them drive really great and have power, and these will be the new missiles. So I'm excited to see what happens. He says he's got some exciting stuff for Tokyo Auto selling around those chassis. Anyways, that's that. Daiki, do you have anything you want to say?
Subscribe?
Yes, subscribe.